Mercy Aigbe is an actress and producer whose work spans Yoruba cinema, English language Nollywood, and now global streaming platforms. With a career defined by consistency, versatility, and creative evolution, she remains one of the leading women shaping Nigeria's film industry today. Mercy's acting career began in the early 2000s, and she quickly established herself as a formidable performer. Known for her emotional depth, commanding presence, and ability to bring complex female characters to life, she rose to prominence in Yoruba films before expanding into crossover Nollywood roles. Her fluency in both sectors, Yoruba and English Nollywood, has allowed her to reach massive, diverse audiences. Mercy Aigbe has developed a solid portfolio as a producer, releasing films that explore marriage, betrayal, societal tension, female empowerment, and emotional transformation. Earlier in her career, she produced titles such as Osas, Victims, Little Drops of Happy. Her production career has expanded significantly in recent years, and Mercy has moved into larger-scale film projects with stronger visual quality, bigger casts, and wider distribution. Mercy is part of the new generation of Nollywood female producers whose films have made it to Netflix, showcasing her evolution into a truly global filmmaker. Some of her more recent and internationally distributed works include Herda Omo Daddy, a family drama and cultural crossover story that gained attention on streaming platforms for its emotional weight and production quality. JBO, a dramatic story centered on family secrets and generational tension. Mercy's filmmaking style is grounded in strong storytelling, cultural authenticity, bold emotional expression, and elegant visuals. Her productions blend traditional Nollywood storytelling with refined visuals suitable for modern digital and streaming audiences. Her online platforms, especially Instagram, serve as major promotional engines for her films. She regularly shares behind-the-scenes moments, film campaigns, cast collaborations, release announcements, and streaming platform features. Her work has strengthened Yoruba Nollywood, expanded English-language female-led storytelling, and contributed to Nigeria's growing presence on global streaming platforms.
Yeah. Do you know what you're made for? You're a light that's gonna shine, and yes, the world is gonna see about